wrong, man. See me in the mirror. You look so dumb right now. Standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You were so ugly when you cried. Please, just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Maybe when I know you're only sorry you got caught. Now you tell me grab your clothes and get gone. You better hurry up before the sprinklers come on. Talking about girl, I love you, you're the one. This just looks like the real one. Please, what else is on? And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, but I know you're only sorry you got caught. 'Cause you put on quite a show, really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. Oh, Andy, oh, the best life goes to you for making me believe that you be faithful to me. Let's hear you speak. Pause. 1, 2, 3, go.